What's going on? Today we're gonna be doing a full walkthrough on each and every intel on Defender Hafid Port. Now the last one got 3 different locations. That's what I've seen so far. So stay tuned for that. Gonna get straight into it. So the first is gonna be right here. When you first start, you wanna go in and it's gonna be right on the table. That's the first one. And I'm gonna be getting them, the first time getting. I already seen them, so I'll be getting the first time too. So that's the first one. Now we're gonna be doing this in real time. I ain't gonna cut to nothing. I might speed up a little bit, but we gonna go through the real time on it. So that's the first one. So man, we can drive. So the second one, will be this round this corner, cross from the 8. And you want to go up in here. Now this one got 2 locations. This one is 1 for the second one. And if you come to this location and it's not right here, you want to come to this location. Just the alternate spot for that one. All right, let's go to the third one. If I can remember where it's at, we gonna find them. All right. So the third one actually is where the supplies at, inside this room. I haven't seen no alternate location. It always was here, and it's the third one. So the fourth one, jump over, is gonna be by the C location. And when you come to the C location, you're gonna have this rope right here. And you wanna go up on this rope. And it's gonna be on this table. All right, so that's 4.
Loading.
So what you want to do when you get down, you want to go directly across from this other side. And you want to go into this door. And it's on the table. They say I already have, I don't know, is it glitchy? That's 5. Right? So we could just run over when you leave C. You want to go this way here. And go to that D area. When you want to go in the D area, you want to go up the steps. And you want to jump over this right here. You have one right here. Now, turn around and you jump down. You want to go to this door. And then you want to go in this room. There's it. It's up here. That's 7. And when you leave out this room, keep going down the hallway into this area. And it should be right here. That's 8. Now, an alternate spot, if it's not here, it's normally be right here. Now, once you get this, leave out of here. You want to go toward that backside. Now, I got to watch for these mortars. Now, what you want to do, you want to leave out of here. And they got the intel way over on the other side. You want to come on this side of the D area. You want to go way to the end. This one was kind of tricky. Way to this room right here. It's on the table. That's 9. So the last one, actually, it'd be good to use the Geiger counter. You want to use the Geiger counter, so we'll go ahead and get it so I can show you, where it's at. We should have took the vehicle, but we running in real time, so we should be all right. And I'll show you the 3 locations that you want to look for. Because every time, it spawns different. So you want to go here and you want to pick up a Geiger count off the table.
Only one thing that's for. Use it to locate any radioactive material.
So we're gonna ride to these spots because they kind of far from each other. So the first spot I want you guys to look at is like in the beginning. You want to go in this little dirt area. And it shall always, you see, it's actually right here. This is where it's always gonna be at. Where this little thing right here at, it's always gonna be there.
Good work.
That's the 10th one. That's all 10. Now, that's all of them, but I want to show you the other 2 spots just in case it don't spawn. So if it didn't spawn there, what you want to do, you want to go this way. And you want to go all the way down through this parking lot. And if it wasn't at the spot where we got it from, you got to watch it. It'll be right here by the tree. Right here by the tree. But if you go out, it go off. But this where it be at, right here by the tree. There's the spots that I seen. And I'll bring you to the last spot. And if it ain't at them 2 spots, you won't go, it's gonna be by the E area. Gonna be by the E area. So it's the area where the E at. And you won't go all the way over here. So if it ain't at them other 2 spots, it's gonna be over here, somewhere over here. All I gotta do is just use a Geiger counter, and they'll show you to it. It's the area. So these are 3 spots that I seen. So if it's another spot, I mean, I wouldn't know, but just keep trying. But those are 3 spots that it spawned. I went through multiple games, restarting to see if they have different spawns. But these are 3 spawns that they gave me. So that'll do it for the video. I hope it helped y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.